Hey, Edgar from Funneltopia here. A quick new feature, additional feature, I guess you could say, related to reply to emails. So up until now, when you were sending out emails, there's basically you can set it up under settings, email services. You can set up a reply email address, right? And that was kind of, it lacked sort of a flexibility because there might be like different departments, right? Like, I don't know, sales and support and marketing, whatever, right? So now the additional feature means that you can actually set up different reply to emails on the campaign level, email campaign level. So it's something like this. So if you have an email campaign of, let's say, I don't know, a 10 email sequence, whatever. So under traffic, emails, campaigns, let's say here's a campaign as an example. Now, when you want to send or schedule the email campaign, if you click on it, over here, you have the option set a custom reply to address for this campaign. If you click on it, you can override the default one. You can set, for this campaign, maybe you want the, I don't know, the marketing team or the support team to get the response, right? If they have any questions, these emails, which is basically, when you set out an email, right? Somebody hits reply and then it's just automatically pre-fills this, right? So you can set these on a campaign level over here now. So that's kind of it gives you more flexibility basically. So yeah, definitely make sure to go check that out. And if you have any more questions over here at the bottom, just click on this icon and 24/7 chat support. Let us know. We'll make sure to respond as quickly as possible. Anything Funneltopia related, funnel related, right? Yeah, just let us know. And obviously for VIP clients, there's you can schedule a VIP call as well. So just that's for like bigger issues more than just a couple tech questions. So make sure to utilize that as well if you're a VIP client. But if you don't have any questions, I will see you in the next video. Bye.